Hi dear programmers, welcome to ICT Profit tutorial. Today we are going to make more exercise with C in and C out code lines, and we're going to make two exercises. One of them is how to find the sum of the digits of a number, and another will be get the average of the numbers. We will start with the first exercise, and first I'm going to introduce my variables. I'm going to write their number, so the user is going to input a number. The number stands for that number, and I will need also a sum, and the sum of the digits. The sum firstly equals 0, and finally I will write a digit. Okay, and first I'm going to input there the variable. So I will let the user input the number, and then after that we will find the digits one by one using this digit variable. And while we find the digits, we're gonna send these numbers to the sum. So as long as we get the digits from the number, we will add over the sum, and then after that we will require the sum as the output. So now we will start getting the last digit from here, and then I'm gonna write it this one, digit equals, okay, num percentage 10. So this one is going to return me the remainder divided by 10. So let's say my number is 123, and when I divide by 10 it will give me the 3, because the remainder will be 3, and the 3 will be equal to digit, and I'm going to add this digit over the sum. Sum plus equal digit. I think you remember this equation from the previous tutorials. We were writing like this: if you want to increase the number more than 1 or 2, we were writing sum plus equal and the number you want to add to. And this time we're gonna write their digit. Digit stands for the last digit of the number, and we will add this over the sum. Alright, so we got the last digit from here. So let's say the number I'm going to write here, let's say number was 123, and this one will get 3 from this number. Digit will be equal to 3, and it will assign this over the sum. So now it's time to get the second digit. For that thing I'm going to divide number by 10 and get rid of from the last digit, and this equation will make your number equal to 12. And now I will do this one again, this equation again. I can copy paste this. So the digit equals number percentage 10 means when you divide number by 10 it gives you the remainder, and the remainder will be equal to digit. And I will write this code line again, which will add over the sum. And finally I'm going to divide number again by 10, and this one will make your number equal to 1. Okay, and I will write this one. So the digit equals to num. Okay, because the last digit will be 1, and the num will be equal to 1 because of this code line, and the digit will be equal to num, and then I will add this to sum for the last time, and then finally I will ask the result. I'm going to ask sum. Let's run the program together. I will write there, let me try another number, 456. As you see, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. Let's try this for 123, and this time it is equal to 6. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Let's do another exercise. This time I'm going to introduce two numbers, A and B. Okay. And then I will ask from the user input them. And finally I will ask the average of them. So the program is to find the average of two numbers, A plus B. Make sure you put the parentheses to the side of these numbers. So we're gonna divide both of them at the same time. But if you do not put these brackets, you're gonna divide only B and over 2. And let's run it now. I will write there 15. You can put also space and 25. So it's 40 over 2, 20. Let me try another number quickly. 20 and 21. So the average of these two numbers shouldn't be 20, it should be 20.5. So because 41 over 2 will be equal to 20.5. I'm going to change the variable, and that variable also support these fraction numbers with decimals. So when we try with the float variable, 20 and 21, and it will tell us the whole result, also included these decimals. You can also find your result using another code line, and you can do like this. You can introduce one C up there and C equal to this number, and finally we're gonna request the C, and it will also give us the same result. Oops, as you see there is a red thing over there which says there is a mistake, and the most common mistake, you forget to put semicolon in the end of the code lines. And now let's run it again and try other two numbers. I'll write there 15 and space and 6. So it's equal to 21. 21 over 2 will be 10.5. Okay, we have finished our tutorial here. Thanks for watching our lesson. I hope it was useful. See you in another tutorial. Bye.